CWG scam has come back to haunt the UPA government, this time dragging in the Prime Minister himself, as the CAG has accused the PMO of giving Kalmadi a free hand. Why was he appointed as the organizing committee chief? That's the fierce debate that we saw this morning as well in Parliament. More breaking news coming in. And so to the exclusive angle we are getting on the CAG report, Times Now has learned that the CAG report goes beyond Suresh Kalmadi. Navika Kumara, political editor, with that source-based exclusive angle right here on 6 p.m. Navika.
Well, Rupali, according to information that we are getting from the CAG, our top sources telling us that there is more explosive stuff that is likely to come out from the CAG report. The part that we've seen so far is just the appointment of Suresh Kalmadi. But beyond this, on the wrongdoings in the Commonwealth Games, one of the chief issues that the CAG is looking at, delays caused in the Cabinet Secretariat and the Prime Minister's office to files related to procurement in the Commonwealth Games. Inordinate delays, delays that have caused exponential increase in the cost of procurement. Those are the issues that the Comptroller and Auditor General is likely to come out with in its final report. The part that we have seen coming up in Parliament today on Suresh Kalmadi, how he pipped Sunil Dutt to the post, and how the Prime Minister's office okayed that particular appointment, is just a part of that report. In fact, on the financial irregularities of the Commonwealth Games, there are several more explosive details that the CAG has still to bring out. Rupali?
Well, that's a very important point that you're making here. The fact that it is not just Suresh Kalmadi and the irregularities when he was the CWG organizing committee chief, but one that leads right to the PMO's doorstep.
That's right, Rupali. In this case, of course, first is the question that has been raised over the appointment of Suresh Kalmadi, and why was Suresh Kalmadi chosen when the group of ministers had already taken a decision that it should be the sports minister who should head the organizing committee of the Commonwealth Games. That's one part of the story. The other part of the story, that is where the financial irregularities and the huge CWG scam that has been top of the headlines over the last almost 1 year, that really also findings of that are likely to be tabled by the CAG in this session of Parliament, and that part, from what our sources tell us, also points a finger at the working of the Cabinet Secretariat as well as the Prime Minister's office, as far as various files which were kept pending, which took inordinate time in terms of getting clearances, something that led to finally exponential increase in the cost of procurement in the Commonwealth Games, as well as that flurry of placing orders on any which company that Suresh Kalmadi finally indulged in. All of that has a genesis in the Cabinet Secretariat and the Prime Minister's office, and that is what our top sources in the CAG are telling us. Rupali?